In this video, we are going to see about conditional statements. The conditional statements are also called as alternative control statements. So why we use conditional statements? Because if we want to choose any of the condition, whether if the condition is true, then what statement to be executed. Whether the condition is false, then what statement should be executed. So the conditional statements have several combinations like if else, if else ladder, and etc. So on. Let us see those combinations. First of all, if condition. The syntax of if condition is if, and we write the condition followed by colon. If the condition is true, then what statement should be executed? That is true statement. Okay. In this example, it will be more clear. See here, mark is equal to 90. If mark is greater than 20, then print true. Okay, so see here, the condition is mark is greater than 20. Whether the mark is greater than 20, 90 is greater than 20, yes, it is true. Hence the if statement will be executed. See here, there's a space in between this print statement and the margin. It is called as indentation. Indentation is more important in Python because in other languages we use a curly bracket to denote the block of code. In Python, we use this indentation to denote the block of code. What does indentation represent here? The print true statement is belong to if condition. It is the hence the output will be true. Then in this example, mark is equal to 90, and we are giving the condition as if mark is not equal to 90. Whether 90 is not equal to 90, no. Hence the condition is false. Hence we get no output. Okay, let me run this code. See here, if mark is not equal to 90, then print true. So if the condition is true, then we got the true statement. The condition is false, hence the true statement is skipped and no statements are below this, hence there will be no output. Then coming to if else statement. What is the syntax for if else statement? If the true statement, else then the false statement. If the condition is true, then the true statement will be executed. If the condition is false, then the else statement will be executed. See here, mark is equal to 90. If mark is not equal to 90, then print true. Else print false. 90 is not equal to 90. It returns false. Hence, the else statement is printed false. Okay. Then here, eligibility to vote are not problem. Here, I have got the input from the user. Age is equal to int of input of. Then I have checked whether the age is greater than or equal to 18. If the age is greater than or equal to 18, then he or she must be eligible to vote. Else, he or she must not be eligible to vote. Hence, else print not. Okay, I have entered 21 as the age and 21 is greater than or equal to 18. Yes, it is greater than 18. Hence, the eligible statement will be printed. Okay. Then let us see about if else ladder, that is elif. In elif, it is used to give some more condition in if else statement. See here in this example, I have given the mark is equal to 90. If 0 is less than or equal to mark, less than or equal to 50. In other languages, this condition will not be satisfied. It will arise an error. In Python, this condition is satisfied. Okay, we don't use logical and or operator. If we use those, it will be also okay. If we use this method, it will be also okay. Here it says about that mark can be at the range of 0 to 50. Okay, if the mark is 0 to 50, then print f. Elif, elif, if the mark is from the range 50 to 70, I will print c. Elif, if the mark is at the range of 70 to 90, then I print B. If the mark is 90 to 100, then I will print A. If so, any of the mark does not satisfy, then I will print invalid mark because the mark will be at the range of 0 to 100. Hence, if the user have given a mark apart from that, then the result will be invalid mark. In this case, I have given mark is equal to 90, so no problem. Where that 90 will come, see here, I have given 90, and here in this condition I have given less than or equal to 90. Hence this condition will be satisfied, not this condition will be satisfied. Okay, because here I have given the marks would be strictly less greater than 90, but here I have given the mark can be less than 90 or equal to 90. Okay, so the answer will be B. Then let us see next the shorthand if else operator. Here, see here, print true if 100 is greater than 90, else print false. In this, the syntax for the shorthand if else statement is first we write the true statement, then we write if, then we write true condition. Okay, then we write else and the false condition. Okay, understood? So see here, whether 100 is greater than 90, yes, it is true. So we print true, hence the output is true. Okay. In next video, I will say about this exercises. Let me solve in the next video. So try this 4 programs by yourself. If you get answers, check in the next video. Okay.
If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get notification. If you have any doubts, let me know in comment section. Thank you guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.